How to find your favorite song? To find your favorite song, go to the Google, and now in the Google you can see the option of identifying song. It is extremely important that your Google app is updated. If your Google app is not updated, you cannot seeing these options. In this option you can see, I can tap on identify song, and you can find any song you want. And now trick 2, go to the Play Store and search Shazam. Install this app and you can see I can find anything song you want. Thanks for watching.